Check out this Ford 2018 F-150 Raptor. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Equipment Group 802A luxury included, LED box lighting, inflatable rear safety belts, 360-degree camera, remote start system with remote tailgate release, universal garage door opener, integrated trailer brake controller, blind spot information system, BLIS, cross traffic alert and trailer tow monitoring, BLIS sensor in tail lamp, power sliding rear window, privacy tint and defrost, power adjustable pedals, 8 inches productivity screen, voice activated touchscreen navigation system, page to zoom capability, Sirius XM traffic and travel link. Note: Sirius XM traffic and travel link includes a 5-year prepaid subscription. Sirius XM traffic and travel link service is not available in Alaska or Hawaii. Sirius XM audio and data services each require a subscription sold separately or as a package by Sirius XM Radio Incorporated.